I used to edit like this. If I wanted to change all of these variable names, I would do this. Let's say I wanted to go from foo to boo, I would go quite tedious, no? And then I learned something called multicursor. And if you haven't seen this yet or used this yet in PHPStorm, you're going to be amazed at how much more efficient this will make you. What I'm going to do here is select the word foo here, and I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut that I've set up, which is Option J. And it's every time I tap it, it's going to select the next occurrence of the word. And if you'll notice, there's now multiple cursors. The words are selected, but if I arrow right once, it'll unselect them. And now I've got a cursor on every line. So I can move those cursors around together. And then if I hit delete and I hit B, I've changed all the lines at once. Oh, I don't like that. I just back up and do it again. So that's how you do it, one keystroke at a time. But it gets even better. I'm going to put my mouse cursor right before that first $sign, and I'm going to hold down Option Shift, and I'm going to click and pull down. And every line gets a cursor. Same thing, but you can do it a lot quicker. So what you can do, I'll do it out here just to show it at the end. Holding down Option and Shift, and then click and drag down, you can drag cursors as you go. So if you've got a whole line of text and you're like, I want to get rid of this, I just go like that. And I can even drag across to select it all and just hit delete. Then if I hit escape, I'm back to one cursor. If I want to select all of the variables at once, I can do it like this. I'm going to select the first one, and then I have a keyboard shortcut set up for Option Shift J, and it will automatically select them all and multi-cursor all of them at once. And I could just hit delete if I wanted to, or go in and, so that will select everything in the whole document though. Not recommended if you don't want to change things above the point that you're working. Let's say that I select this one and I go, well, I want all of them from there down. Option Shift J will select all of them, including above. So not good if you're only trying to stay within a method or something like that. So that's enough for now, and hopefully this video will help you be more efficient. If you have questions or want to see something different or more specific, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm always happy to put more videos out to share my knowledge. And that's the whole purpose of this channel, to share what I'm learning. Hopefully I'm going to get more videos out soon. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that, because that will help this channel grow and help even more developers find these tips and tricks.